real time. Thank you all for following us at Okada Manila. Thank you.
Yun may kanina.
Alvin. Lifeline rescue. Okay, come on, pull down. This is a very beautiful Swift. Go Swift. Go out. Hardcore Manila. Let's look inside of each car. The names you want to move. Each of you will have to see us rolling in the streets of Manila and Okada. So, Jun Takahashi is coming from Hardcore Tokyo. Pare, you have Nico, you have our hardcore Manila! Let's go, let's go, let's go! Then we go drag racing. Each car should be hitting the sensor from the starting line. And at the far end, you'll have a sensor. The light will blink if the left lane car or the right lane car won. Right lane, left lane. Let's go, Nico! Fire engine, left lane, right lane. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Giving up for the right lane. Sino pa pala pa? Look at the face of the drivers. Toyota and Honda warming up their tires. Thailand. Hello, Jack episode. Hello, Sarap Buhay crew. Hello, Kenzo. Hello. Ito po yung something special. Looks like the driver is smiling very little. Sideways. How about a big round of applause, mga pa? That is about 3 to 4 G's! That's 14!